This video is brought to you by GearBest. Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. On this occasion, we will show you a way to drastically improve the quality of your video productions by using video stabilization. This is a look at the FUNSNAP Capture 3 phone and action camera stabilizing gimbal. The Capture 3 is a high-quality motorized 3-axis gimbal. It is very similar to a gimbal you can find on professional drones. Camera stabilizers are used in many shapes and forms by video content creators, as well as being highly adopted in the movie industry. Their main purpose is to eliminate the shakiness produced by handheld videos, so this would be a great initial step to improve the quality of your recordings so you can go from this to this. Let's start with a quick unboxing. We first find the instruction manual. Next is a quick operation guide. Next we see a micro USB cable for charging. Then we see the gimbal counterweight. And finally the gimbal itself. You will also find an 18650 2600 mAh battery already included in the battery bay at the bottom of the handle. Having a closer look, on the top we can see the clamp holder for phones up to 3 inches wide. We can also see the brushless motor 3-axis stabilizers. On the back of the handle we have the power mode button and the directional thumbstick. On the right is the micro USB charging port. On the left a standard tripod mount. On the front is the trigger button. And on the bottom the battery bay. To start using the gimbal, first make sure that you charge it until the trigger button lights up a solid blue color. Then install the counterweight by screwing it in. Next, place your smartphone securely and balanced on the holder. And power on the device by long pressing the power button. The gimbal will calibrate and hold the phone steady so you can start recording your videos. This gimbal has 3 recording modes. First is follow mode that will follow you as you move left and right. Clicking the mode button once will switch to fixed mode that will keep the phone stabilized in the same position while you move. While in this mode, you can use a thumbstick to move the phone left, right, up and down. Clicking mode twice will enter pitch follow mode that will allow you to smoothly move the phone left and right, up and down. Pressing the mode button 3 times while moving the handle to the left will switch the phone's orientation to vertical shooting mode. While in the vertical mode, you can use the previous 2 shooting modes as well. To return the phone to the horizontal position, press the mode button 3 times. You can also use the gimbal with the companion app called Capture Move 2. Just install it from your app store and open it. The app will ask you to pair the phone with the gimbal by Bluetooth. Once this is done, you will be able to use the trigger button in front of the handle to take pictures by single pressing and record video by pressing for 3 seconds. The app comes with the tracking function that will allow you to either track a person's face or any object by selecting them on screen. You can then move around and the gimbal will keep your subject in frame. And while in the app, you can push the thumbstick left or right to zoom in and out. In conclusion, whether if you're planning to simply improve the quality of your videos or are thinking of getting into more serious and professional looking video production, then the FUNSNAP Gimbal Stabilizer is a tool that will indeed give awesome results. And unlike other gimbals that cost hundreds of dollars, the FUNSNAP Capture 3 is quite affordable for the quality it delivers. If you'd like to check out the FUNSNAP Capture 3 or other gimbals and many other gadgets, don't forget to visit GearBest from the link provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are a few comparison videos of the gimbal in action. I'll see you on the next review.